This is Monday to Friday, and this is Saturday to Sunday. So tomorrow it's breakfast at
7:30 until 10.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
And checkout time on
Sunday 12.
And Wi-Fi.
This is the very important.
Yeah, of course.
What's up mga kaligalig? Dito na naubos yung ating 90-day cycle, 90 hours cycle driving sa loob ng 2 linggo. So obligado na mag-hotel ako. So ito yung nakitang parking na medyo madulas din, may yelo. Yung hotel natin nandun, ayun oh. So tara, samahan nyo ako. Punta natin yung hotel kung maganda. Samahan nyo ako mga kaligalig, tara. Iwanan natin yung ating truck dito. Safe naman siya dyan. Welcome back again mga kaligalig. Ito na yung hotel natin. Pupuntahan natin ngayon. Medyo malayo-layo dun sa parking ng truck. At natin punta tayo sa reception. Wala talaga silang parking. Ito ng parking ng hotel na to. Saan ang reception? Reception ng hotel. Ang parking ay ano lang. Reception. Hi, good day. I have a booking reservation here.
Yeah.
Can you check?
Okay. What's your name?
Rafael.
Let me see.
Yeah. And can you check how many days?
Yes, I will check. Rafael?
Yeah.
Yeah. San Andreas?
Yeah, San Andreas.
Okay. I don't think we have any other Rafael, just to make sure. Okay. This booking is for...
Until Monday?
I will see. It's 2 nights, so it's until Saturday, until Sunday. This is only until Sunday.
Until Sunday morning?
Yeah.
Sunday morning. Okay. Anyway, do you have any parking for the lorry?
Parking for
Lorry truck.
lorry truck?
Yeah.
What is this?
I parked there, over there.
Okay. Yeah, we have a parking for the hotel. Is it full down here? Okay, so you can just you see the you see the
That
yeah the blue and the silver and the white car just park there.
But
it's free of charge. It's the hotel's parking. You just put your car there.
No, I not bring that car. I bring truck.
A truck.
A truck.
Okay.
You see over there. You see over there. I bring the truck. Yeah.
Okay. Unfortunately, we don't have a parking.
Okay,
for that.
leave it there. leave it there.
Yeah, I
But
can't.
I was confused on Monday if tonight will raining the ice. In Monday I will shovel the ice.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Where's the
Have you
room?
driven here before?
No, I've been there in Tromso.
Yeah, okay. So where are you from?
I'm from Philippines, but my residence is Poland.
Yeah, okay. So did you move to Poland to drive truck?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been in Sweden and then bring the merchandise here and unload and then finish because it's my weekly break today.
Okay.
So it's not allowed to sleep in the truck. No? It's now the government in Europe is not allowed to sleep in the truck. So anyway, where's your room?
Seems quite good.
Yeah.
So you
Yeah, it's
get a
quite
comfortable bed and a
Oh,
shower.
good, thank you. Anyway, do you have a laundry?
Yeah, I have a laundry room, so you can go wash your own clothes.
Okay.
I think.
Uh-huh.
I'm not 100% sure. I will have to check it out, but I will I will check you in first, and I will find out about it. So northern Norway is quite different from the Philippines.
Yeah, the temperature is what do you call it? Extreme.
Yeah, it is.
Extreme.
It really is. Where are you from? Manila or?
Yeah, Manila.
Manila.
Oh,
Okay.
you know Manila?
Yeah, I know Manila. I have never been to the Philippines, but I want to go.
Ah, very good. And if you've been in the Philippines, visit the Boracay.
The what?
Boracay, our beach.
Boracay?
Boracay, White Sand Beach.
White. Is it in Manila or
It's
outside?
far in Manila.
Okay.
But that is the number one tourist spot in Philippines.
Yeah, okay, I understand.
Okay.
Nice. Okay, so you have room 309.
309.
It's in the third floor.
Third floor.
Yeah,
Okay.
you have stairs here, and you have an elevator in here. You see the
Upper elevator, third floor.
yeah, a lift.
Alip, yeah.
Yeah. So you get to the if you take the stairs or elevator, it's the same.
Yeah. So anyway, what is the inclusive of this? Pre-meal or what?
Yeah, you have a breakfast.
That's only breakfast.
A breakfast is included, and breakfast in Norwegian is frokost.
Ah, frukost. Okay, okay.
So these are the times
The time.
Sunday to Friday, and this is Saturday to
and
Sunday.
Sunday.
So tomorrow it's breakfast at
7:30
7:30
until 10.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
And checkout time on
Sunday 12.
and Wi-Fi.
This is the very important.
Yeah, of course. And this is a code
The
for
code.
the door. So if you go out at night, you just use
for
this
this
code.
for this door.
Yeah,
Okay.
but you can also use the card.
For here.
Yeah, it should. Let me just. It should work. Okay. Well, just bring the code
Okay.
if you go out.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
I will.
Check the room.
Yeah, but if you come with me, I can show you the
The
laundry.
laundry, yeah, that is better for the laundry.
Let's say I think.
No problem.
I
I
think
can
it's
wash
in the
it.
second
I
floor.
can wash it on my own, but
Just. I will find.
okay.
I will come knock on your room when I
Okay.
know if we have.
So ayun guys, dito tayo. Third floor hotel tayo ngayon. Ito tayo, hotel tayo. Hotel.
Tredje etasje.
Anong number? 309. So hanapin natin yung kwarto ko. 309. Uy, ang ganda rito. 305. Oop, malamang nandito ang 309. Ito. Yun, top lang. Wow, ganda ng room natin. Ganda ang room. Yun. So, tanaw ko yung truck dito. Ayun yung truck, tanaw ko. O dito, maganda na to. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so there is a laundry room in the second floor.
On the second floor.
Yeah, and it's the symbol on the door is an iron. Yeah.
Okay.
But it's there's no booking system, and everybody is free to use it.
Okay.
So Yeah, you can only use it if it's available.
Okay.
But your key card should you have to bring
On
your
the
key card from the door.
Okay. I will go. Second floor, ah?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Labahan tayo. Nag-iisa washing machine dito. Labahan to ng mga ano ng hotel eh. Nakilaba lang ako. What's up mga kaligalig? Mag-check out na tayo dito sa hotel. Iwan na natin, hanggang 12 lang ako nakabook dito eh. Yan, ang ganda ng view. Habang hindi pa gaano malakas ang snow, ay lalabas na tayo. Pupunta na tayo sa information. At kukunin natin yung resibo para meron tayong papakita sa pulis pagka na-check tayo. So tara, samahan nyo ako doon sa counter. Tara na. Hi.
Hi.
Check out na tayo. O, hello.
Første etasje.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm leaving today, no?
Sorry?
I'm check out today.
Yeah.
At 12. Anyway, can you give me the receipt?
Yeah, sure. Where are you driving today?
Tonight.
Sorry?
Tonight.
Okay. Where to where?
Going to Sweden.
To Sweden. Okay. Nice.
But the climate is not good, no? The weather is not good.
No, it isn't. Probably slippery roads and stuff.
Yeah. I was trying to go somewhere yesterday, but snow.
Okay.
To search something here with historical places, but
Yeah.
I didn't have to go to because the weather.
It was really.
Next
rough
time.
weather. Yeah,
Next
yeah, sure. Okay, I think you need, because you made a reservation through booking.com, right?
Okay.
Because when I print you the receipt,
Okay.
it says not paid since you didn't pay here.
Uh-huh.
So I don't know if that's an issue.
But it already paid, my company.
Yeah, it is paid, but it's paid through booking.com.
Okay.
So since you didn't pay us, it says
Not
not
paid.
paid.
No.
I don't know if that's going to be an issue, but if you need like an official receipt, you can get it from booking.com.
No problem. But I can give this just only for the police. If they will ask me if you are breaking the truck or not, I will give it
okay.
to them. This is my hotel reservation.
Okay.
It doesn't
so
matter for
This
them.
is good enough. This is what you need.
There's more.
No, it's this is just a.
I think this is enough. No
Yeah,
problem.
it should be.
Okay.
The Norwegian police are nice.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Drive
Bye.
safe today.
Yeah. So guys, eto na. Ito na yung kakasagupain nating ano. Pahin natin, maulan. Kita nyo guys, oh, snow. Patay. Ang truck natin ay nasa mga 500 meters. Andun pa sa kabila. So salubong tayo sa snow. Ang bata tayo ngayon. Agoy, kanina kasi medyo tumigil na eh. Ay, ang lakas, oh. Lakas ng ano, lakas ng snow. Grabe. Alam mo, yung truck natin punong-puno na to. Malapit-lapit na tayo. Ayun, oh. Ayun, 500 meters. Tsaka tong tumatama sa mukha ko tong snow. Manhid na ang kamay. Wala tayong gloves. Daliin na lang natin. Agoy. Ulap. Kasi sinabi ko na kuha ng hotel na malapit yung parking. Siguro na-pressure yung opisina dahil sinabi ko naubos na yung 90 hours driving cycle ko. Kaya siguro ito ang kinuhang hotel. Nakita na. Pero may adjustment pa sana eh. 3 oras pa yung natitira doon sa 90 hours driving ko eh. Kaya lang sa bagay, galing ako ng Alta. Grabe. Hindi siya. Solo tayo dito. Ito na ating kabayo. Ito tayo ngayon. So ito na yung truck natin guys. So welcome back again mga kaligalig. Mula doon sa hotel ayun yung hotel, ang layo doon. 500 meters yung nilakad ko umuulan-ulan pa. Nandito na tayo sa truck. So ito na yung truck ko, no. Mananatili tayo rito hanggang mamaya, hanggang hindi namin bigyan ng trabaho o ng biyahe. Lalo na yung ganito, napakalakas ng snow. Medyo delikado sa kalsada. Baka hindi rin tayo bigyan ng trabaho muna. Hanggang bukas siguro. So hanggang sa muli mga kaligalig. Paalam. Salamat doon sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking mga content, sa aking mga vlog at saka sa aking mga followers sa aking FB page. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Hindi kayo nagsasawang suportahan ako. At nawa nakakatulong din po yung aking mga konting live regarding sa mga tutorial o kung ano man dapat malaman ng ating mga aspiring truck drivers. Salamat po. Nawa nakatulong din tayo. Ayan palakas niya siya ng palakas. Paalam po.